Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
How to become an expert in anything. Do you want to become an expert in something truly skilled, confident, and respected in what you do? Maybe you dream of speaking fluent English, becoming a great artist, a top student, or even a successful business owner. Here's the truth, experts are not born, they are made through habits, mindset, and years of consistent effort. In this video, you will learn how to master any skill and at the same time improve your English with powerful motivational phrases and expressions. So grab your notebooks, stay till the end, and let's grow together in English and in life. Every expert begins as a beginner. The difference between a beginner and an expert is not talent, it's persistence. Experts think long term. They don't ask, how fast can I learn this? Instead, they ask, how can I get a little better every single day? Have you heard the saying practice makes perfect? Well, that's not exactly true. Perfect practice makes progress. It's not about how many hours you practice, but how you practice. Experts use focused practice. They pay attention to their mistakes, learn from feedback, and constantly adjust. Example, if you are learning English, don't just memorize words. Use them, make sentences, speak aloud, and record yourself. That's how you turn knowledge into skill. Every mistake you make is proof that you are trying. So don't fear mistakes, embrace them. They are your best teachers. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need to study or practice for 5 hours once a week. You need just 30 minutes every day. Experts build small daily habits that compound over time. Think of it like drops of water filling a bucket. One day it overflows. Try using phrases like bit by bit, day by day, and one step at a time. They sound natural and remind you to stay consistent. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. So, even on the hard days, keep going. We live in a world of instant results, instant food, instant messages, instant everything. But mastery takes time. If you plant a seed today, it won't grow into a tree tomorrow. But with sunlight, water, and care, it will grow. The same goes for your skills. Be patient with your progress. Experts don't rush, they trust the process. Every expert learns from other experts. Read books, watch tutorials, ask questions, find mentors. Don't be afraid to learn from those who are ahead of you and also share your knowledge with those who are behind you. Teaching others is one of the fastest ways to master any skill. When you explain something, you understand it better yourself. Use expressions like learn from the best, follow in their footsteps, and stand on the shoulders of giants. They are great for sounding natural and motivated in English. You can have the best plan, the best teacher, and the best resources. But if you don't believe in yourself, you will give up before success arrives. Every expert once doubted themselves too, but they kept going. You must remind yourself daily, I can do this. I am capable. I am improving. I am on my way to mastery. Say it, feel it, believe it because you are. So remember, becoming an expert is not about luck or talent. It's about mindset, practice, consistency, patience, learning, and belief. If you follow these steps, you can become an expert in anything and you will grow as a person while improving your English. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs motivation today.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.